Hair health is a significant aspect of overall well-being and appearance, and understanding the factors that contribute to weakened hair is crucial for maintaining its strength and vitality. Hair can become weak and prone to damage due to a combination of internal and external influences. These factors can affect the hair's structure, growth cycle, and overall health, leading to issues like thinning, breakage, and loss. In this detailed examination, we will explore 10 key reasons why hair may become weaker and how each factor specifically impacts hair health. By recognizing these influences, individuals can take proactive steps to address and mitigate the causes of hair weakening, leading to healthier, stronger hair. Nutritional deficiencies. Iron is essential for oxygen transport in the blood. Deficiency can lead to anemia, which impacts hair growth. Vitamin D supports hair follicle health. Low levels can lead to hair loss. Biotin is vital for keratin production. Deficiency can cause hair thinning and brittle hair. Hormonal changes. Hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism can disrupt hair growth cycles, leading to thinning. Hormonal fluctuations during and after pregnancy can affect hair growth and lead to temporary shedding. Stress. Telogen effluvium, a type of hair loss triggered by stress, where hair follicles prematurely enter the resting phase, leading to excessive shedding. Overprocessing. Frequent coloring, perming, or relaxing can damage the hair cuticle and cortex, leading to weakened strands. Excessive use of blow dryers, straighteners, and curling irons can cause heat damage, making hair more prone to breakage. Genetics. Androgenetic alopecia, commonly known as male or female pattern baldness, this hereditary condition gradually weakens hair follicles, leading to thinning. Poor hair care practices. Products with sulfates or other harsh chemicals can strip natural oils, causing dryness and breakage. Failing to properly condition hair can lead to a lack of moisture and increased brittleness. Environmental factors. Environmental factors such as exposure to airborne pollutants can damage the hair cuticle, compromising overall hair health. Prolonged exposure to UV rays weakens hair proteins, leading to dryness and color fading, while extreme weather conditions, whether cold or hot, can adversely affect hair texture and strength. Medical conditions. Conditions such as alopecia areata can cause patchy hair loss, while fungal infections or inflammation can damage hair follicles, resulting in hair loss. Medications. Some drugs, including blood thinners, chemotherapy agents, and certain antidepressants, can cause hair thinning or loss as a side effect. Aging. As we age, the rate of hair growth slows, and hair follicles may produce finer, shorter strands. Additionally, age-related hormonal changes can further affect overall hair health. Addressing these factors, whether through dietary changes, proper hair care, managing stress, or seeking medical advice, can help in maintaining stronger and healthier hair.